Okay, YouTubers, I got my Spectrum out because this is my plus 3, but I just wanted to show you the loading sequence of Monty on the Run, the Crash Powertape version, so I could show you how magazines used to advertise back in the day. None of the pop-ups that you get in Internet Explorer or Firefox. This is the way they advertised back in the day. I'm pretty sure this is a 48k only games, but I'm not convinced, but sure. So I'm just going to do it just in case anyway. So we're going to go into 48, allowed to that. Let's play the tape. And we'll see what we've got. So it's loading up nicely. Obviously I'm going to talk over it so you can't use it as a form of piracy to allow deal audio from this video into the computer. As you can see, they advertise in the magazine because it says the one big mag for Spectrum software. Now what will happen is another loading screen will come over the top. Here it comes. Yeah, that's the other one, and that's how they used to advertise. Having a cup of coffee, but I'd rather have a beer. Let's hope it works because tapes aren't reliable. Not especially with tapes as old as this. as you can see, this is Monty on the Run, so I might as well. There we go. Oh shit. Let's go. This is the one I think that was on the Commodore 64 that had the absolutely incredible soundtrack. I'm not sure, I think it is. I'm using the quick cheater 125 plus joystick to play the game. Ouch! Yes, this is the one that was on the Commodore 64 that had the amazing soundtrack. Ah! Fuck no. Watch out for these guys here. God, they're all out to get me today, aren't they? Ouch! Yes. They're all out to get me today. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Goodbye!